Hello, welcome to Tim's Travels. I'm on board the MV Alfred, taking me across the Pentland Firth with Pentland Ferries. This is a new custom-built vessel, larger than the previous incumbent, the Pentalina. Let's see what it's like.
Okay, cheers.
So thanks for watching that video about the new Pentland Ferries vessel MV Alfred, just to give a little idea of what it's like. So what are my thoughts on this new vessel? Well, it's larger than the Pentalina, so obviously it felt more spacious. There's been a lot of improvements. I think the cafeteria has improved, better coffee, nice to get a Costa coffee on board. I think also the children's play area is a nice touch, along with better access for folk who would struggle with stairs. So having the lift from the car deck up to the passenger accommodation is a really good idea. I think a huge improvement is the enclosed sun deck, because previously, for dog lovers, if they wanted to take their dog with them and not leave it in the car, you had to stay outside with your beloved pet. Now, even on the bonniest of summer days in the north of Scotland, being outside for an hour could be quite a test of endurance. So having an enclosed sun deck where you can take your dog, I think that's a really good idea and will be very much appreciated by folk using this service. So all in all, a big thumbs up for Pentland Ferries. I think this new vessel is going to be loved by locals, residents of both Caithness and Orkney, and it's certainly going to be well used by the tourists come summertime. Thanks for watching this video. Please, as I said in the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I do read all your comments, so thank you for those, and I look forward to seeing you again soon on Tim's Travels.